Well, we kick off today here with clouds on top of the Sandias. We're just peeking out underneath them right now. But yes, today is the day that this big winter storm system finally gets going, especially this evening. The best window for snow is going to be Saturday night to Sunday morning, and very cold air is going to move in first into eastern New Mexico, but then impact us all. Here's a look at where we have winter storm warnings with advisors for Albuquerque and Valencia County. It's the Central Mountain Chain in eastern New Mexico taking the hardest hit from this storm system, and that was expected. So here we are with rain gradually lifting out of southwest New Mexico and up into the state's midsection, but it's probably going to be dinner time or maybe thereafter before we catch a good chance at showers. Look at the snow filling in this evening. Continental Divide around Los Alamos, Santa Fe, and then up and down the Central Mountain Chain and down into areas around Roswell. At the same time, there could be some pretty heavy rain showers in the south central part of the state. Now, overnight tonight, it's still probably going to be just warm enough for primarily rain or some wintry mixed showers into the foothills here around the metro, but snow will be falling into northern New Mexico. We'll still hold around freezing for Albuquerque. Pink shades starting to show up in southeast New Mexico tonight and continuing Saturday. That's the potential for some ice and ice accumulation. Then as that Arctic air invades, look how we just slam it over to snow down into southeast New Mexico. Albuquerque still may be warm enough Saturday for primarily rain and wintry mixed showers until about dinner time, and that's when the cold air backs into the metro and we do a changeover to snow. And this snow, it looks like, will continue Saturday night and into Sunday morning. Bitterly cold air on Saturday night starts to get into central and western New Mexico. Look at the teens and single digits that we wake up to on Sunday. And Sunday daybreak, it could still be snowing. We will gradually chase the snow on Sunday out of southeast New Mexico, but that may not occur until like midday in the latest spots. But in Albuquerque, I think after some Sunday daybreak snow showers, we'll quickly see the storm wind down. May not even get up above freezing in northern and eastern New Mexico. So it's warnings here for the heavy snow accumulation. Look at the Central Mountain Chain, the swath in eastern New Mexico. 4-inch snowfall is going to be easy. We could even be close to the 4-inch range for Albuquerque. Not a big difference between the American and the European model at this point for snowfall totals. They both suggest the biggest numbers, though, up and down the Central Mountain Chain. Beneficial snowstorm hitting the mountains for the immediate Albuquerque metro. These are the National Weather Service snowfall totals, and based on recent models, we may add an inch or two to these numbers. Snow bullseye on the Sandias. We expect Sandia Peak to pick up like a foot of snow from the storm. Remember, there is icing potential in southeast New Mexico. So Central Mountains, eastern New Mexico, that's probably where the biggest snow hits. Saturday night into Sunday morning, that's when Albuquerque has its chance for the 1 to 3+ inch snowfall. And travel conditions will be very difficult with a lot of snow on the ground and the potential for icing in southeast New Mexico. So Four Corners forecast, northwest New Mexico, it's late day rain and wintry mixers, but a high chance that precipitation does develop this evening. Tomorrow, we may only pick up 1 to maybe 2 inches of snow here off the mountains, but precipitation will be likely through Saturday. It's all done Sunday. Here's southwest New Mexico. We've already got the rain going right now. It's primarily going to be rain today. Now into tomorrow, we start to do the wintry mix thing, and then Saturday night, Sunday morning, we'll watch for an inch or two of snow off the mountains, maybe a little bit more on the high terrain up into the Gila. Here's southeast New Mexico. Yeah, we're only in the 40s this afternoon. It's primarily still going to be rain. Some snow will develop on the Sacramento Mountains later today. It turns much colder tomorrow. We'll have to watch for a period of icing before we do a changeover to all snow. And snow is going to continue well into Sunday here. Those are highs in the mid-20s Saturday and Sunday. Northeast New Mexico, it arrives late, but wintry mix and high terrain snow showers do get in this evening and for the first half of the overnight. Saturday's high 19. Look at that 1 degree temperature on Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon only 28. We are back in the 40s next week. North central New Mexico, it's also going to be a late day arrival of wintry mix showers and then some snow this evening and overnight. Saturday is going to be a snow day, and snow continues into Sunday morning. Santa Fe, we've got you in the 5-inch range for this storm system. Albuquerque, at about 6 o'clock this evening is when we expect the high precipitation chances to kick in. That's when we go into weather impact mode, primarily talking about rain, at least at the onset. We may wintry mix, though, around the higher terrain of the city. Saturday, still probably warm enough for rain and a wintry mix until dinner time, and then it's a mix over to snow Saturday night, Sunday morning, watching for that 1 to 3+ inch snowfall. Very cold Sunday, still very cold Monday. The chill does ease through next week.